Why is data extraction and review monitoring pivotal in the marketing landscape? Well, imagine the power of harnessing customer feedback, understanding their sentiments, and using it to shape your marketing strategy. This is what data extraction and review monitoring can offer. Discover how Blackcoffer's team of highly skilled professionals leverage cutting-edge technologies to empower organizations and drive their success. From strategic planning to implementation, Blackcoffer is dedicated to delivering exceptional IT consulting services tailored to the unique needs of each client. Now picture this, an automated tool that extracts daily review data from your local service ads dashboard for all clients. This tool pulls data from a company's Google LSA page for the last 24 hours and uploads it to a BigQuery database called LSA_review_DB. Every day, like clockwork, this script runs and is deployed to Heroku under the name LSA Daily Reviews. It operates for all companies in the Google Sheet LSA Review Automation master file. The data it uploads is comprehensive. It includes the date, company name, location, total reviews, verified reviews, overall star rating, reviewer name, review date, reviewer star rating, and reviewer comment. This gives you a complete picture of your customer feedback. Now, how does it work? The solution is simple yet effective. First, we get a list of companies to monitor along with their LSA URL. We then use Selenium automated browsing to open the review page for each company. Next, we web scrape the data from the review page, prepare a report, and upload it to the database. This tool is a game changer. It runs daily, extracting and uploading review data for all companies, saving you time and effort. It uses the power of Selenium for automated browsing, Sheets API for handling Google Sheets, BigQuery for database management, and Heroku for deployment. But it's not without its challenges. Selenium, while powerful, can take a large chunk of RAM. But don't worry, we've tackled this by using the right type of dynos and managing their allotment to lower both costs and memory usage. In a nutshell, this solution offers an efficient and effective way to monitor reviews and extract data. It allows you to keep your finger on the pulse of customer sentiment, guiding your marketing strategy in a data-driven direction. This solution was designed by Blackcoffer team, a global IT consulting firm with a knack for data extraction, cleaning and summarizing, as well as web scraping. They've utilized Python language and techniques and demonstrated their expertise in handling databases like BigQuery and cloud servers like Heroku. So, if you're looking for a way to make your marketing strategy smarter, more efficient, and more attuned to customer sentiment, this is the solution for you. Harness the power of data extraction and review monitoring, and let your marketing strategy be guided by the voices of your customers. Join us on this journey to uncover how Blackcoffer has earned its reputation as a trusted partner in the industry, providing unmatched solutions that elevate businesses to new heights. Don't miss out on the opportunity to gain invaluable insights and discover the possibilities that await with Blackcoffer. Like and share this video to spread the word about Blackcoffer's global expertise and industry-leading standards. Together, let's celebrate the achievements of this remarkable IT consulting firm and inspire others to reach for their highest potential.